How to fix disabled Instagram ad account. I'm going to tell you how to fix your disabled Instagram ad account. First, figure out why it was disabled. This could be due to unpaid balances, policy violations, or account issues. If it's an unpaid balance, just go to Meta Ads Manager, open payment settings, and clear any outstanding payments. For policy violations, review Meta's ad standards, fix any issues with your ads or landing pages, and then submit an appeal through Meta's account quality page. If your account was disabled by mistake, you can appeal through Meta Ads Manager and wait for their review. The process may take some time, so be patient. If you still need help, contact Meta Business Support for further assistance.